Local news for Thursday the 2nd of May. The Wairarapa property asking price continues to rise, with the average price up 4.3%. A busy April also saw 71 properties sold in Masterton, 28 in Carterton and 52 in South Wairarapa. The Wairarapa District Health Board has announced the appointment of Dale Orloff as Chief Executive. Dale is currently acting Chief Executive of the Hutt Valley DHB and has held a number of leadership roles in the public health sector. Dale will start with Wairarapa on the 15th of July. In the interim, Craig Clymer will continue as acting Chief Executive. Local farmers are being invited to discuss current issues with National Leader Simon Bridges in the region today. MP Alistair Scott will be in attendance, as well as Derek Daniel from Wairere Stud, speaking at the Carterton Event Centre from midday today. And in sport, in this weekend's hockey, the Dalefield men will get a break, while the women are on the playing top of the table, Hutt United. And in football, Wairarapa United will host Western Suburbs, with the women away to Victoria University. And in the Chatham Cup, we have drawn a home game against Upper Hutt City to be played in the next couple of weeks.